we need to simplify the given logarithmic expression. So first we will use the property that a times log of b, that's equals to log of b raised to the power of a. So we'll apply that property to our first term and the last term. So our first term is 2 log of 5, which can be also expressed as log of 5 squared, plus log of 8. Now 8 is simply 2 cubed, minus, we will take the half and raise it to the power of 4. So that means we have log of 4 raised to the power of half. So that means we have log of 5 squared plus log of 2 cubed minus log of, now here we have 4 raised to the power of half. So 4 raised to the power of half means 4 can be also expressed as 2 squared raised to the power of 1 half, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of, the exponents will get simply multiplied. So we have 2 times half, which is 2 raised to the power of 1, or simply 2. So that means 4 raised to the power of half is 2. Now what we'll do, we'll combine the first and the second term using our property that log of a plus log of b, so that's equals to log of a times b. That gives us log of 5 squared times 2 cubed minus log of 2. Now we have two logarithms. Now these two logarithms can also be combined using the property that log of a minus log of b, so that will be equals to log of a over b. Fine, so let's combine them and we should get log of 5 squared times 2 cubed divided by 2. So we have 1, 2 from the denominator and 1, 2 from the numerator cancelling out. So that leaves us with log of 5 squared, which is 25, and 2 squared, that's 4. So 25 times 4, so that's equals to 100. So we have log of 100. Log of 100 can be also expressed as log of 10 squared. And we'll use this property, 10 log of b equals to log of b raised to the power of a, to get 2 times log of 10. Now, whenever the base of the logarithm is not mentioned, so is it usually 10. And if we apply the property that log of a base with a base of a, this value is always equals to 1. So in our case, our value of a is 10. So regardless of the value of a, so that will be always equals to 1. So that means our final value will be equals to 2. So this is the simplified value of a given expression.